So guys, today we're going to unbox this Redmi Note 10. So I got it from Lazada during the March 27 sale. So I got it for around 7,312. This is the 6 gig and 128 gig model. So let's unbox this. I just got it here for today. So let's set this to aside first. Then, sorry for it. So here we have the cable, the USB Type-C cable to Type-A cable, and we have a 33 watts charger. I don't know if you can see this, but here it is. Okay, let's look at the phone now. So it has a 6.43 AMOLED dot display, 33 watts fast charging with a 5000 milliamperes battery, and Qualcomm 678 and a 48 quad camera setup. Okay, and REDMI by Xiaomi. So let's try to fill this up. So I have the Onyx Gray variant there, and there you can see that it has 4 cameras and flash. And I have the Onyx Gray. So let's boot it up. Let's set this to a side first, and now we're having the first boot of the phone. So at boot up it has 66% and it's already MIUI 12, yours alone, and we're having English, Philippines as a region, and we're going to use the Gboard, and I'm going to okay with this terms and conditions. We'll check this again later, and we'll connect to a network later. And we'll skip this. Let's turn off ads. Yeah. And we'll try to have an app drawer, which I'm more comfortable with. So we're loading it up. So I got this for 7,312, which is a steal for this price. This is priced at 9,990, and I got it for the Lazada sale at 7,312. So amazing. So at the initial start, we have the pre-installed apps, which is Netflix, Facebook, Booking app, Amazon, and we have LinkedIn and IQI, and then we have the other, and we have YouTube Music. So that's about it. That's the pre-installed apps, and we also have Facebook. So right now so let's try to manage apps there. So that's about it. Let's try the camera, I guess. So right now I'll be trying to I'll turn it off. Okay, there. I'll be trying to capture. And let's see how fast this would work. There. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry for him. Anyhow. So as you can see, this is the camera. It's quite good. Yeah. So let's look at the more. And we have the night mode, the 48 megapixel short video panorama, document mode, slow motion mode, and time lapse. And the pre-installed ones are the portrait, photo, video, and pro. And if we look at, we have raw support, grids, and in the settings, let's try to turn on video and we'll see what's the maximum. So as you can see guys, it has 4K 30 frames per second. So it can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. I'll get it back to you guys. Now we're going to try a non-copyright music to test the speaker of this phone. Currently we are, let's change it to 1080p. So that's the speaker of the phone. There, so I'm going to look at the storage. So after installing and updating the apps, I have a storage